How to fix your washing machine overflowing, common causes and quick guide to solve the issue. To fix a washing machine that is overflowing, you need to identify the cause of the issue and take corrective action. The most common causes of a washing machine overflowing are excessive detergent, clogged drain pump filter, faulty drain hose, and imbalance in the machine. First, check the detergent dosage and make sure you are using the recommended amount for the size of the load. Using too much detergent can cause excessive sudsing, which can lead to overflowing. Next, check the drain pump filter for any blockages and clean it if necessary. The drain pump filter is usually located at the bottom of the washing machine and can be accessed by removing the bottom panel. If the issue persists, check the drain hose for any kinks or blockages and make sure it is properly connected to the washing machine and the drain. You should also check the washing machine balance to ensure it is level and stable. If the machine is not level, it can cause the water to spill over during the wash cycle. To prevent future overflows, make sure to regularly clean the drain pump filter and check the drain hose for any blockages. You should also use the recommended amount of detergent and ensure the washing machine is properly balanced. By following these steps, you can quickly identify and fix the issue and get your washing machine working properly again. It is also a good idea to refer to your washing machine manual for specific instructions on how to fix an overflowing issue, as different models may have slightly different procedures. Additionally, if you are not comfortable with DIY repairs or if the issue persists after trying the above steps, it is recommended to call a professional to fix the issue. By taking these steps, you can fix your washing machine overflowing issue and prevent it from happening again in the future. Remember to always follow the manufacturer instructions and take necessary precautions when working with electrical appliances and water.